Remember to click subscribe and notification button for more Appa's video.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Appa is going to show you another very simple dish from during Chinese New Year. During Chinese New Year, we always have a lot of roast meat, roast pork, roast chicken, roast duck. So every time after the prayer, you always have a lot of leftovers. So how do you make use of your leftovers roast meat? I have some roast pork here. Okay, I actually use the this is the leftover from the one I used for pun choy. I made a pun choy video just now. Okay, so these are the leftover roast pork. So what we can do is we can actually stir fry it with Chinese leeks. Yeah, this is actually Chinese leek cut into slanting slices like this. All right. Now this is actually very good for Chinese New Year because, as the name suggests, in English it's called Chinese leeks, but in Chinese it's called suan. Suan, literally translated into Chinese English, is actually meaning counting. So what do you want to count? You want to count money, okay? And you must have a lot of money, then you can count money, right? So it is a symbol of prosperity. Yeah, this is actually a veggie symbolize prosperity. Count a lot of money. So this part is sweeter. This is the bottom white part, just like it looks like a enlarged version of a green onion. Okay, I should have just let you see the original ones. Okay, this is the bottom part, the white portion. And this is the top part, which is green color. Usually this part is a little bit tougher. This part is softer. Okay, some people will just leave away the top maybe top 20 cm or top 30 cm, just because those is the more harder type. For me, it's still okay. I tested just now. It's not too tough. Okay, and then I have some chopped garlic here. Just these three ingredients will make a very nice dish. Okay, I'm going to add some oil. Then raise the heat. When the oil started to heat up, I'm going to put in the garlic. So you'll wait for a while for the oil to heat up. Okay, the oil is heated up. I love to listen to all this sizzling sound. Saute your garlic a little bit. Ooh, immediately I can smell all the garlic flavor. Nice. Put in your roast pork. This dish will only take few minutes because the pork is already cooked, and you don't have to cook your Chinese leek for very long. All right. Now, before I put in the Chinese leek, I'm going to add in some ketchup mayonnaise. You can put in dark soya sauce with some add in some sugar. One thing I find about ketchup mayonnaise is it is not very black color. Yeah. I want darker color. Where is my dark soya sauce? Okay. I'm going to add in a bit of my normal dark soya sauce to make it even darker. Some people will add some chili padi if you like spice, yeah? If you like spicy. Okay. Now I'm going to put in my leek. Turn down the fire a little bit. We'll give it a bit of light soya sauce. A little bit of CNY. I already toned down the fire, yeah? Notice I put the CNY around the wok. This is actually to what we call chop. We want to chop the wok. Okay, put up high fire again. can put some chili if you like, yeah. Today I got kids at home to eat this dish, so I'm not going to put chili. If not, the red color is going to make the dish look even nicer. Okay, it's almost done. Just give it a little bit of salt. A bit of sugar. I'm going to choke it with a little bit of rice wine again, Shaoxing wine. Okay, it's almost done. The moment you feel the leek has shrink, okay, it is now cooked. And this dish is basically done. So I'm going to move this over to the plate at the side. Okay, so here's my stir-fry roast pork with Chinese leeks. Okay, if you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.